All right, installing my the shift boot on the inside of my car. So we've got the brackets. I believe this is still the original boot, and here's the cover. So when you install this, the bracket goes over the boot. So it fits, should fit the edge all the way around. And then this sits on the floor underneath the carpet. So it doesn't go on top of the carpet, it goes underneath. And that's why it has this raised edge here. Okay, and that is for the cover. So I'm gonna get this in real quick and I'll show you. All right, having a little tough time. I probably should have installed it after the carpet, before the carpet. So I'm having time. I'm getting into the 4 holes for the screws. So what I'm going to do is I got a little point, and what I'll do is I'll I'll push through the hole and the bracket and hole and the boot, and then line it up with the hole that's in the subframe. In the body, and then push down, hold in, then get that one screw in, and then work my way around and get the other 3. Alright, so I got the first one, just pull back and you can see the screw right there. Okay, so now I got lined up, now I just need to get the other 3. Alright, so I got all 4 screws in. So just make sure when you go all the way around, make sure you see the edge of that boot right there. Okay, so you have it seal on the engine trim, on the tunnel. See the edge of the boot there? Make sure that goes all around exposed so it gets a good seal down. And then we'll pull the boot up a little bit above the carpet, and then we got our cover. Alright, so it's all the way up. Okay, and then we got a cover goes in, and then you got the 3 holes here. Let me hook onto that. So there's 1, 2, and then 3 on top side. So you can probably, if you want, you can cut the carpet just to barely fit it, but I'm putting the screw kind of through the carpet, so we'll get that done. All right, I actually looked better at it, and so that tucked the carpet under that bracket there. So tuck the carpet in there. That. This one, you can see it. Right on top. All right, there we go. So I got the 2 screws in, and then one up front here, and then I got the last layer of the fold in the boot up, and that is it. It was a little hard since the carpet wasn't already in, but made it work. Got it done. So that is it.